everybody, Damon here for cool art stuff for kids. And I'm about to start drawing a dragon today because I want to draw a dragon. I'm inspired to draw a dragon every day of my life, it seems. So we're going to make this a warrior dragon. You're going to see why I'm calling it a warrior dragon. He just looks like a warrior, okay? So here it comes. Here it comes. I'm going to divide this board in half with a white line down the middle, and then one running. I know you can hardly see this. One running across there. Space is going to go right about here, and I'm going to start by putting the top of his nose right about here, coming down on both sides, and then going to add nostrils. Nostril 1, nostril 2. Okay, now, within that, we're going to have another dark line here. Looking pretty nose-like, isn't it? So right here, this comes down, just above a halfway point, and from the top of the nostril, we've got an angle going out this, got an angle going out this direction. That's this long, that's this long. Perfect. About this high, and then we're going to curve it back around. Like that. And then like that. This and like that. Does that look pretty? It's pretty equal. I'm honestly, I'm working on my pronunciation of things. It's like, let's do a little guy here and another little guy here. And just like our other dragon, our Chinese dragon, we're going to have like some pom-pom shapes here. One there, circles. Those are going to become sort of like mini pom-poms on this guy. And then the eye will be right here. It's going to go up and back around. That's his eyebrow. And then we're going to do the same on this side. We're going to go back from that pom-pom and up around like this. Go, 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 Damon. Go, Damon. Go, go, go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I love to encourage myself. Staying positive is the name of the game. So that line is right there. Then we're going to go lower part of the eyelid is there. And then it's going to careen, if I can use that as a descriptive word. It's going to careen back up this way. Whomp. Just like that. I don't know where I got that word, careen. I'll have to look that up. Okay. And because he's kind of angry, and he's a warrior, we're going to give him heavy eyebrow things. We're going to go bloop, bloop. There we go. Can I do that on this side? I don't know. It might take you a couple times to get this just exactly right. It's just this tall, right? And this one's a little bit lower, so we're going to go. And then we're going to bloop, and then we're going to go bloop out here. And then he's going to come in just inside that line. Oh, yeah. Very mask-like. I'm looking at this distance here constantly, and pretty close. This one seems to be a little more slanty. Do you see that? I'm going to correct that right now before I start to add color. I'm going to go a little bit further back and then back in. There. Pretty close. Then this guy. Okay. We're going to be cleaning all this up later. All right, now we're going to go crazy. We're going to go from here. We're going to go out that way. From behind that pom-pom shape, we're going to go out that way. And then we're going to go down to there. See how I'm using all these points to help me get the proportions of this creature? There, that looks pretty good. Now what are these going to be? These are going to be horns. Yeah. There he is. And then on this side, Same thing. Symmetrical is the name of the game. Symmetry is the name of the game. Measure, measure. This can go out just a little bit more. There we go. Boom. This goes behind here. There. Pretty close. Now, which one do I like better? This one seems to be thicker way over here. This one gets like skinnier faster. I kind of like this one better, so we better make this more like that. There. Okay. I'm feeling really good about this warrior dragon. Okay, he means business. Now let's do the actual eyes. We're gonna do another, oh yeah, cross there like a lid. Yeah, like a lid right there. And here comes his eyes, just like the Chinese dragon we did. Nice round shape inside here. Close to the nose. Nice round shape. Oh, he comes all the way down. Look at that. So this one has to come all the way down, which tells me that this opening might be smaller than that one. Ooh, they're very close. Okay, let's try this. Better. Same width, yes. There. And there is the Warrior Dragon. Color phase coming up next. Hold on to your hats. So here we have the Warrior Dragon. I have half of it done, detailed in, and now I'm going to do the other half and show you in fast forward how I did the pom-pom, the eyeball, the horns, and the subtle shading on the teeth, all this stuff, and then I'll show you that in fast forward. So here we go. First, I'm going to be coloring in the green over here. That's just going to be solid green. Here we go. You can see what I've done. I've used a lot of yellow and purple on these frills that stick out around his neck, and I've darkened in some places, like over here. I'm going to darken this even more, and then blend down into the lighter purple. And the next thing I'm going to do is these scales using light green, dark green, and then maybe work on this green in this area right here. Here we go. The last part of this guy is the black outlining. And then we are done with this guy. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial, and you'll be able to replicate it and do your own kind of a dragon. Remember, no matter what you do, it's going to be great. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine. And you're still going to put a lot of work into it and finish it off beautifully. Because I have faith in you. You should have faith in yourself. Okay, later, next time. Goodbye. Dragon Warrior or Warrior Dragon, whichever. Don't forget to subscribe now. Be a good follower. Forgot the mouth. A little bit of pink in here, I just realized. You may want to finish that mouth off for realism's sake. A little pink, a little red down in here, and then come back with maybe just a hint of purple or black. Oh yeah, the purple will work. There we go, a little dark in there. Fabulous, maybe a little shading. Now we are done.